Hi everyone and welcome to week 3. I'm excited to continue our discussion of college success and some habits that you can take and some things that you should know to be a successful college student. All right, so whenever we look at a new week, remember that you want to start here with the week overview. Not only will you get a checklist for everything you need to do this week, but you'll also get some other information about quizzes, time management. You might have seen these before, but just reminders of things that you want to remember going into this week. In terms of assignments, we have the same assignments as usual, so we'll have the quiz, the readings and the quiz by Tuesday, the mindful moment for Wednesday, and the discussion by Thursday. So I think you're getting used to that rhythm by now. Know that if you can't do things throughout the week, that's fine. Get started on Sunday. Maybe you do the quiz and the mindful moment on Sunday, maybe sometime during the week you do the discussion. That way you'll have some extra time and then you can do the assignments on Saturday or Friday. The other things that we have besides the quiz, the mindful moment, and the discussion, we also have a library assignment that will introduce you to how to use the library from home when you're not on campus. And then we also have a assignment about understanding and developing a growth mindset, which is so important when you're trying to learn new things, that you don't get discouraged, but that you see obstacles as ways to get better and continue to improve yourself and always grow. This assignment will also help you with note-taking so that you can practice those skills, and I can see how your notes are coming along this semester. All right, so I hope you have a really great week. If you have any questions, please let me know.